Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? It's a really shock news for all Vechain holder, my brother. But absolutely, the change occur will be positive now. So I'm so happy to see this. Congratulations, all of you. To this time, my brother, the Vechain will wake up and absolutely the change occur. Everything is gonna be positive now, my brother. So you can see at this time, last 1 hour and the profit so plus 0.82%. Last 1 day profit plus 2.07%, and you can see that the last 7 days so plus 7.31 per 13%, my friend. They will take a very huge jump now, and I'm so happy to see this. So this time, my brother, the VChain prior prediction is very important. So if you predict this coin, I hope, my brother, you will better understand now. But first of all, as you can see, this time the VChain price is increasing now, hour by hour, minute by minute. But my friend, you know what's the reason? I just need my friends to search about my friend this coin, because you know why? It's a lot of holder, especially new type holder, they are completely on the loss. So I want to be safe, all my friend. So let's get started the brand new, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.